my name is Jake, and this is what I'm currently riding. I guess we'll start at the top here. I currently ride ODI grips with ODI Barnes. I run Craig Passaro bars. I have regular Colt stock stem. I have a tree compression bolt. I have an animal headset. I have Flybike Agua forks. In the front, I have a Kink Lyra tire 2.23, and for the wheel I have a G-Sport birdcage laced to a Animal Javelin hub with a Shadow Little One peg. For the back wheel I have an Animal GLH tire 2.25. For the wheel I have a G-Sport roll cage laced to an Animal Javelin back hub, left-hand drive. For the cranks I have a Sabrosa Bitchin' cranks, Colt plastic pedals. I have a Sunday Knox sprocket with a Shadow Conspiracy V2 chain. I also have a Sabrosa bottom bracket. For the seat post I have a Shadow Conspiracy with a failure seat. And for the frame I have a premium Gutter Shark. A lot of my friends say I'm going to crack it, but it's been holding up really well for the past couple years. So I'm just going to keep riding it. And that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.